This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Diane Keeley. Better than new. 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms in sought-after Hickory Landing. Open floor plan with custom kitchen featuring upgraded cabinets, larger island with quartz tile backsplash, farmhouse-style sink, upgraded appliances, hardwood floors in family room, upgraded carpet and pad, outside covered back porch, 11 by 18, and more. Excellent location to Hickory schools, shopping, restaurants and bypass. Why wait when you can move in now? Neighborhood has a walking trail around the pond and playground. For more information, review the details below or contact Diane Keeley at 757-477-8577.